It's that time of the year again where popcorn meets cozy blankets and Christmas lights set the perfect movie-watching ambiance. Whether you're in for laughter, nostalgia, action, or heartfelt moments, this is your ultimate guide to the 10 best Christmas movies of all time. Let's jump right in. 1. Home Alone, 1990. A timeless classic. This movie follows young Kevin, left alone at home during Christmas, facing burglars with his ingenious traps and antics. Pure nostalgia and holiday vibes. Why watch? Kevin is the ultimate Christmas hero, delivering a mix of humor, heart, and action. 2. Die Hard, 1988. Yes, it's a Christmas movie. Bruce Willis stars as John McClane, a cop battling terrorists during a Christmas Eve office party. Why watch? Explosions, high-stakes action, and a dash of holiday spirit make this a must-watch. 3. The Nightmare Before Christmas, 1993. Jack Skellington from Halloween Town discovers Christmas and tries to make it his own, with eerie yet endearing results. Why watch? A gothic holiday masterpiece by Tim Burton with unforgettable visuals and music. 4. Tokyo Godfathers, 2003. This heartwarming anime tells the story of 3 homeless people who find a baby on Christmas Eve and embark on a journey to reunite it with its family. Why watch? A deeply emotional and unique take on Christmas themes, perfect for anime lovers and skeptics alike. 5. Grinch, 2018. The stingy Grinch hates Christmas and wants to make all the Whos in the town of Whoville as unhappy as he is. He tries every cunning trick he can think of to steal any trace of the holiday. Why watch? Carrie's hilarious performance and the film's universal message about the spirit of Christmas. 6. The Polar Express, 2004. A boy full of doubts takes an extraordinary ride to the North Pole, but ends up embarking on a journey of self-discovery that shows how the wonder of life never fades for those who believe. Why watch? A magical animation that captures the wonder of the season. 7. Klaus, 2019. This Netflix original reimagines the origin of Santa Claus through the unlikely friendship between a selfish postman and a reclusive toy maker. Why watch? Stunning animation and a moving story that blends modern and traditional holiday themes. 8. Miracle on 34th Street, 1994. When a man claiming to be Santa Claus faces skepticism, he inspires belief in magic during a courtroom drama. Why watch? A feel-good story that reminds us to believe in miracles and the Christmas spirit. 9. 8-Bit Christmas, 2021. A nostalgic tale of a young boy's quest to get a Nintendo console for Christmas in the 1980s with a heartfelt father-daughter narrative. Why watch? Perfect for gamers and fans of retro vibes. 10. A Christmas Carol, 2009. This animated adaptation of Charles Dickens' classic tale follows Scrooge, a bitter miser, as he's visited by ghosts of Christmas past, present, and future. Why watch? A powerful story of redemption with stunning visuals and heartfelt lessons. Which of these is your favorite? Drop a comment with your go-to Christmas movie or recommend one we might have missed. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell to keep the holiday spirit alive on this channel. Happy holidays and see you next time.